Hi guys, I'm so sorry. I haven't done a YouTube video in so long. Forgive me, but it's just been so stressful because of school and everything. I'll give you guys an update. As you can see from this, I'm going to be doing my hair because I just need to do something with my hair so I can be free for at least a week or two. So let's get started. Essentially, I want to do jumbo braids just because they're the quickest thing to do. Actually, I think it's like 10:30 p.m. right? So it's the quickest thing to do, and yeah, I have one pack of hair and a full head of hair. So I'm going to divide the hair into three. I'm going to cut it, and this is colored to ultra extensions braiding hair. So I'm going to have to pull the hair and stretch it because it is not pre-stretched, as you guys can see. This is all the hair. And I'm cutting it into 3 sections, so let's get started. So this is how it looks, and I'm gonna pull it so it's gonna be a bit longer than this, and so when I do the braids, it's gonna be, but this is all the hair that it's gonna be braided onto my head. Some people like to pull the ends first, but honestly, I realize that to me personally, it's a waste of time. I like to just do this method. So you just have the braiding hair, you just pull it apart, and you just keep doing that until the hair is finer at the ends. And one thing to know is that when you put it on top of the other hair, now you're gonna go on top and separate it. And as you keep separating the hair, you'll feel it in your fingers where the hair doesn't feel as difficult to separate and it feels looser. And also just by looking at it, that's when you know that the hair is fully separated. And I'll show you how it should look at the ends. So right now, I'm just dividing my hair into the sections that I'm going to be braiding. And so as you can see, I'm dividing my hair. And then once I divide my hair, I'm going to just moisturize each section and detangle it. Just so that my hair can obviously be moisturized and detangled, because this is a protective style. And then I'm just going to braid the section up. As you can see, that's a bit of breakage I have from a past hairstyle I did. But yeah, I'm just going to braid the section up, and then that's going to be it. So once I finish braiding this whole section, I'm going to do this on my whole entire head. So right here, this is me just doing the back, and I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm moisturizing it, I'm detangling it, and then I'm going to braid it. So I actually didn't braid my whole head that night. I just wanted to section it and braid it because I was too tired. So I'm just wrapping my hair up, and then tomorrow, when I have the time, obviously, I'm going to braid it, and it's just going to be easy because the sections are already detangled, already sectioned off. So I'm just going to have to braid it. So yeah, good night, guys. Good morning. This is me the next morning with my hair fully sectioned, detangled, moisturized, and braided. I think I have about 8 sections. So what I'm doing here is I'm separating. See, I had 2 hairs bundles. I'm separating one and then separating it again. Then I do that with the second one. I separate it and then I separate it again. until I have 8 pieces, because I think I have 8 braids on my head. So these are all the sections. So it's so easy just to make sure that each of them were about the same size, because I just split in half. So look at how moisturized and detangled that looks. I'm just gonna apply my gel. This gel is called Air Cream. I love it. It really holds well. I get a lot of mixed reviews about it. Some people say it causes white residue. It doesn't on my hair. It usually holds all day and I love it. So I'm just brushing it just to get the sections to look nice and sleek, and I'm just making sure that my lines are straight. It's so important to make sure that your lines are straight when you do hairstyles, just to make sure that your hairstyle looks nice and neat and clean. So yeah, I'm just going to continue making sure that it looks nice and neat, as you can see. And then I'm just adding a little bit more gel. I'm going to brush it just to smooth it out so it looks nice and smooth. And now I'm going to attach the hair extension. So I'm separating it into 2 pieces, and now I'm going to cross it over. So now you technically have 4 pieces, but I joined 2, so now you have 3 pieces. And now I'm literally just gonna put it onto my hair and braid my hair like normal. So you can see that one portion of my hair is paired with one portion of the braiding hair, and I'm just gonna braid it. And then after it gets secure, I'm gonna separate my own hair and pair it to another braiding extension, just so that one piece doesn't look too bulky, and you can divide your hair as you're braiding it. And I'm also making sure that I try my best as possible to make sure that the braiding hair covers my natural hair, so that it looks nice and sleek and neat. And also the ends of my hair are dyed a light brown, so I want to make sure that the color is also hidden. So yeah, I'm just going to braid it all the way to the bottom. Now I'm going to do this on my whole head. This is the whole thing, the front, the back, all around, so you guys can see. So I'm going to do these bantu knots on my whole head, and right now I'm just going to dip my hair into hot water, and hot water helps secure the braids as well as make the braids more flexible so that I can tie it up and it can have more motion and less stiffness. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you liked the outcome, and let me know if you'd be interested in doing a style that's similar. And I'm gonna put some pictures and stuff. Right now I'm just gonna do my edges, and I really like this edge control. It's called She is Balm Collection Fast Drying. It literally doesn't even give me any white residue. And yeah, I really like it for my edges, and it lasts all day, most of the day. So I'm not like, I don't go crazy on my edges, so what I'm doing right now is gonna be really simple. And I kind of also just go by my natural baby hair pattern. So that's literally like about it. Concerning my edges, maybe if I'm going out somewhere or if I feel like, you know, doing more, I do. But also because edges isn't something I like to do on the daily, so this is something I can do on the daily, like just put a little bit and brush it in the direction my baby hairs naturally go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, give a thumbs up, share, try out the style, let me know how it goes for you. I really like how it looks, like pretty natural kind of, because of how I did it. And yeah, I mean, it's a good protective style. I know I'm not gonna get any breakage from this. It's not, I don't feel any pain. I can move it around easily. It may not last that long. I feel like it would last like for max for 2 weeks, but that's okay because it didn't take long to do, and it was also only one pack of braids as well. And so yeah, and I feel like even if it gets old, I can always try and maximize the style by maybe doing bantu knots with it or something. I also like that I can tie it up if I want to. And you know, I could do different stuff with it. Or let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys another time. Bye.